This is my first video, so bear with me a little bit. Basically, I'm looking to get back into this on Monday. I did play this kind of early on the Wolf call. It's not Wolfpack approved, or the Wolf approved, I should say, but he did mention he was going to try and jump in it and see how it went. So we got in it kind of early. I think we got back. I think I got in it back somewhere over here around like 20-25, and I got rid of it somewhere in this run here. Kind of got back into it again sometime later and caught this run, but with this tank I kind of got out of it with minimal gains. Just looking into this for Monday, and generally what I'm going to do is just show you a few points here. First, you got your big wall here, basically right around 0.007, which you could see it basically smash into. Two came down, third time. This is kind of on low volume compared to some of these other days, so hoping the volume's there on Monday. It was a rough week, well, especially Friday. No one wanted to really be in a lot of plays with the way Thursday went with a lot of these stocks, so I'm looking for the crack here at 0.007. I know 0075 here. Let me see the trend line. Basically here is another little wall. Doesn't look like it's too bad. Usually the way I look at these things is it looks like it already attempted to break this 3 times, so you hope, the way I look at it is it might kind of be a weak resistance. It shouldn't be too bad. But like I said, I'm fairly new to all this stuff, so I'm just going by what I know. So if it breaks 7, I'm probably going to try to get in somewhere in this window. 7, maybe 725. If it breaks 7.5, I definitely want to be in, because it looks like it's kind of a free run up basically to your next level of resistance, which would be somewhere right around this area here. So basically from 7.5 to 10, which would be a nice percentage gain. I might actually just go in heavy in this breakout and try to possibly get out here if I see any signs of a turnaround. And then we have, you basically your other levels of resistance. So you can find, you can kind of risk and weigh out what kind of gains you want. I mean, this thing went all the way up to 15. So between 14 and 15, you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know how many people are going to try to just get out here. But basically, this looks like your best risk versus reward. So if it cracks through here, the 7.0 to 7.5 area, and you're in, you can pretty much take a pretty nice gain up until this point. And then you got a couple more battles. So depends on how long you want to stay in it. I'm probably just going to get into it for a quick run. If I do see it's positive, if the volume is extremely high, I'm probably going to end up staying in it and just basically trying to get out. I don't know, maybe 10, maybe like a 50% return, somewhere in that area. 50% return would be right around 10. I'd be happy in that area. Anything more than that, if it's still strong, I'll play it by ear. But this is basically what you're looking at on LVGI. And your lower support levels, as you can see here, you got at basically 0.005 is your downside. So that's why I'm just going to wait for it to break here. I might chase it, I might miss the buy, but it's kind of on the top side with a pretty good fall to the bottom side. That's probably, is that about 20%? So I don't know. I would just be careful getting in right away unless you're really confident it's going to take off. So there is a lot of buzz on it. It does look like it might be a good call, and we'll go from there. So good luck.